Welcome to Product Critique, where we review the best beauty products on the market. Today, we're excited to introduce you to what we consider the best eyelid color. The Julep Eyeshadow 101 Cream-to-Powder Waterproof Eyeshadow Stick in Blush Pink Sheer Shimmer. If you're looking for an eyeshadow that offers long-lasting, crease-proof coverage with a touch of shimmer, this is the product for you. This eyeshadow stick has a unique cream-to-powder formula that glides effortlessly across your eyelids, transitioning to a smooth, crease-proof powder finish. Whether you're heading out for a day at the office or a night on the town, this eyeshadow will stay in place without smudging or fading. The waterproof formula ensures that it can withstand sweat, humidity, and even a little rain, making it ideal for all-day wear. One of the standout features of this eyeshadow is its rich, pigmented color. The Blush Pink Sheer Shimmer shade provides a soft, light pink hue with a subtle shimmer that catches the light, adding a fresh, dewy look to your eyes. It's perfect for creating a natural, everyday look or for layering with other shades for a more dramatic effect. Not only is this eyeshadow easy to apply, but it also has a built-in smudger that makes blending a breeze. Simply swipe the stick directly onto your eyelids, and use the smudger or your fingers to blend it out before it sets. No brush required, making it an excellent choice for anyone who's on the go and looking for a quick, flawless application. Beyond just being a beautiful eyeshadow, this stick is enriched with nourishing ingredients like vitamin C and E. Vitamin E helps protect your delicate eyelid skin from free radicals, while vitamin C works to improve skin tone and texture. This means you're not only getting great color, but you're also caring for your skin at the same time. For those with sensitive skin, this product is a godsend. The gentle formula, which includes candelilla wax, makes it easy to blend, ensuring that you get a smooth application every time without any irritation. Plus, with over 30 shades available, you can build your own eyeshadow collection to match any mood or occasion. In conclusion, the Julep Eyeshadow 101 Cream-to-Powder Waterproof Eyeshadow Stick in Blush Pink Sheer Shimmer is a must-have in any makeup bag. It offers high pigmentation, smooth application, and all-day wear, making it the ultimate solution. For those looking for a reliable and beautiful eyeshadow, if you haven't tried it yet, we highly recommend giving it a go. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and don't forget to subscribe for more beauty reviews.